Jeff to convince everybody it was a good lift.
Yes, he did, and that is a tremendous personal best, 12 kilos up on his previous best.
Was he going to get that?
Anyway. Well, that was over and done with in 11 seconds.
And the prize goes